everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create motion graphics with just a simple clicks. So how are you all doing today? It's nice to see you here. My name is Mario So and I create weekly content on filmmaking, gear review, and editing tutorials. If that's something you think you'll be into, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content down the road from me. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can quickly create motion graphic animations directly online without the use of any video editing software like Premiere Pro or After Effects or Final Cut Pro. So having motion graphics and cool text animations in your videos really raises the profile and the production value of your videos. But I know that not everybody is fluent in creating these motion graphics by themselves. You can go ahead and buy templates online for either Premiere Pro, After Effects, or whichever video editing software that you use. In today's video, I want to show you an alternative on how you can achieve this directly on a web browser online. Today, I'll be talking about a website called Viddyoze where you can use to create your own motion graphics, titles, logo animations, and pretty cool animation effects. And I'll give you my thoughts at the end of this video to see whether this is something worth purchasing. Before I go ahead any further, I want to say that Viddyoze did provide me access for free to go ahead and test out this platform. So having really cool text animations can really spice up your videos. So you can have something like this, or you can have something like this, and even something like this. Or something similar to what I had in my intro. So all of these animations were created in just a simple clicks without the need of After Effects or Premiere Pro. So having cool text animations can really spice up your videos. So why would you settle for something like this when you could have something like this? All the motion graphic animations that you're seeing in this video were created directly in Viddyoze, just to give you a sense of what you can accomplish on this platform. If you're new to video editing, you probably have never thought about motion graphics, lower thirds, and all of these cool text animations. If learning video editing by itself is a daunting task, imagine having to learn how to animate and create animations. You can create really cool animations in just a simple clicks using this software. All right, so let's go on ahead and I'll show you guys what this looks like. So before we get started, let's talk about pricing and see how much this platform costs. Once you're on their website, you have to scroll all the way to the bottom to be able to see how much it costs. The good thing about it is that it's a one-time payment, lifetime payment. So you pay once and you get access to this forever, I guess. And you're not restricted to the templates you had available to you at the time of signing up, but they say that they do add new templates into their website every once in a while and you'll be able to access those. So at the time of the making of this video, Viddyoze is $67, a one-time lifetime fee. The $67 is the personal plan that you can use in any of your personal projects on YouTube. You get unlimited usage rights in any of your personal videos or any videos that you're creating for your clients. You also get unlimited video renders on any of these templates. They also have a business plan, which I believe it's about $129 or something like that. And with the business plan, what you get is that you can also resell these templates. What I mean by that is that if you wanted to create logo animations for other people and sell them on Fiverr or Upwork, so that'll be a pretty cool way to make extra money on the side. So let's jump into the interface and see what this looks like. So here I am in the main site, in the homepage of the Viddyoze website. I also want to talk about another tier of a membership that they offer, which is the Template Club tier. Right now it seems that they're offering an upgrade at saving 62% off that Template Club. So what happens here is right now with just the personal or the basic business account, you get access to, I believe is about 200 templates. And once you sign up for this membership, the Template Club animations, you get about 2,000 templates, which is quite a lot of templates, I think. But for that, I think you have to pay a monthly subscription, which is about $37. And depending on the promotion that they have going on at that time, you might be able to get it for less. But right here, I'll have my View Template Club animations turned off because I do not have that membership. But here under category, you can see that, currently there are 205 templates that I have access to. So let's create a few of these and see what they look like. So there's templates with an alpha channel, meaning that they have a transparent background, just like some of the animations you saw early on in this video. So they had this breakthrough title, which I used for the intro of my video. They have stuff like that. They have really cool titles, title animations. So these are all with transparent backgrounds. Let's start by editing a title. How about that? Let's go to all the templates and just quickly browse around here and see if there's anything that we like. There are really cool stuff here, like this abstract polygon where you can just add your text or your logo and it'll show up over there. Okay, there's also something like this, like the abstract room. And I believe that would be really cool for a corporate video or an intro for a corporate video or even a slideshow if you could add your own photos in there. Anime petals fall. Okay, that's pretty interesting. All right, let's check out this flat circular intro and see how what that looks like once you edit it. So let's create our custom flat circular intro. Customize, you click on customize, and this takes you to the editor, I guess. You can fully customize your video here, and it shows you what things you can customize about this template. So here you see text, audio, and colors. The other really cool thing about this is that you can also download the videos with the audio. So that way you don't have to go on your own and find sound effects for some of these animations. So for this text, we'll write my template, for example. Next step, we pick our colors. So I don't know, let's pick like a teal or a blue, and we'll leave this as we'll leave it at gray or dark gray. And then we'll choose that color, choose, go on to the next step. And here you can select whether you want to include the sound effects, the audio that come with this template or not. And you can also add a watermark if you have a pro version. I guess if you wanted to send a sample to a client without them using it, you can use this and add a watermark so that they do not use it without your permission. So in live preview, what this does is that Viddyoze is trying to create some screen grabs of that animation and will give you a preview of that would look like. So this is a preview of this particular screen grab, and the other ones are still being created, but oh, here they are. But you can go ahead and just click and create your video, and what Viddyoze will do now is just render your video directly online on the platform right here. So it says it's rendering. Depending on what you're creating, the rendering time might be long or short. Right now for this one, it's going pretty fast. It's in real time. So I'm assuming it'll probably take about a minute or two. But some of the other ones that I created for this video that you saw early on took about 3-5 minutes. So overall, it doesn't take too long. It does suck though that you can't really preview your video before you render it. So if you wanted to add that into your own video to see what it looks like, you have to render it out first and try it out. And if that doesn't work, you have to go back, re-edit and render it again. So that's a pretty tedious process, but I guess it is what it is. So once the video is done rendering, you'll download a copy onto your computer. All right, so this is the template we created and this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. It's just a simple clicks and you're able to have your own text in it. The one thing that I don't like though is that you can't really fully customize any template that you see. It seems like you can only customize text, color, and maybe add a graphic of some sort, but you can't really customize the font. So this is particularly important if you like to resell some of these templates and you have a client that wants a particular font, you won't be able to do that. Let's create another more complicated one, some of the live action ones that we have right here, live action. Some of these seem quite cheesy, but I guess if you're doing some corporate business or some corporate gig and you need just some, I guess, B-roll or stock footage with your own customized logo in it, it might be a really cool idea to use one of these. Let's try to use this one, couple wall painting. Let's see what that looks like. Customize. And again, here you can see that you can customize your image, which is the image that will go here where that V is, your audio, and the colors. Customize video. You add your logo. Let me add a photo of myself. It also tells you the recommended dimensions, whether it's a JPEG or a PNG, and it tells you the minimum recommended pixel size is 2048. But just for illustration and example's sake, I'm not going to check whether my image is proper. You can also change the colors here of my painted wall. So I will select let's go with like a blue. And the roller brush color would be also another blue, and the unpainted wall color white. We click next, and let's see a preview and see what this generates. We'll include the audio as well. That's pretty cool. Screenshot of my logo, or my photo in this case. We'll create our video. While you're rendering, it's important to note that you can't render another file if you're on a personal account. I think you need to be on a business account or in the club animation membership or something if you want to render more than one video at a time. But you're able to edit and work on another template while you're rendering this one, and as soon as you're done with this one, you can render on the new one. You just have to have that project open in a different tab. So this is what that animation looks like. So let's play it and show you guys. Well, so I guess it looks pretty cool, but I thought that they would finish the entire picture. But anyways, it's still a pretty cool way to, you know, illustrate your logo or your photo as if someone was painting your face, if that's something you would like to do, I guess. These are just a few examples of how you use this platform, and in my opinion, it's pretty good for what it does. I do not like the fact that you can't really go deeper into some of those customizations, but I mean, for what you're able to get and the price, I think it's pretty good, especially if you only pay once and you get lifetime access to this. And this is how you can very simply and easily create really complex and cool animations for your videos to spice them up. Do I think this is worth the price? I think it is. If you're new to video editing and animation, or logo animation for that matter, this would be a really easy way to get started to add these elements into your videos without having to learn a brand new software like Adobe After Effects. In just a simple clicks, you can get a variety of animations to be added into your video. But if you're a very seasoned editor and are very comfortable in After Effects or creating motion graphics in Premiere Pro, this service might not be for you just because you do not have that extra flexibility to go and fine-tune some of your animations and graphics. But some of the live action templates might be useful for you even if you're a seasoned editor. So if you would like to check Viddyoze out, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go ahead and test it for yourself. So that is all for today, guys. But before we leave, I'll throw in this one last animation from Viddyoze, asking you, if you haven't subscribed already, to subscribe. Until next time.